Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel Semrush subscription. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Semrush account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how do you create an account on Semrush? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type semrush.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Semrush. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Semrush. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to cancel your Semrush subscription. From your homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the profile icon. Click on that. You have this extended menu that says My Profile, Subscription Info, Manage Users, Payment Queries, API, and Logout. Go ahead and click on Subscription Info. And that's going to take you into your subscription window. It's coming right up. Now, I don't have any active subscription plan because I'm currently using the free plan. As you can see, my plan free, so I don't have any active subscription. But if you have an active subscription and you just want to cancel it, from this page at the top corner of your screen, you're going to find a couple filters. And one of the filters that you're going to find is recurring. Now, right next to recurring, it's definitely at the top corner, just above this. If you have an active subscription, you're going to find recurring. And once you set just next to recurring, you're going to find active. So go ahead and click on active. And once you click on active, you're going to see a banner that says contact us. So go ahead and click on contact us. And once you click on contact us from that banner, after selecting active, you're going to need to state the reasons you are exiting your subscription or the reasons you are canceling your subscription. And after stating your reasons, you're going to be prompted to type the last 4 digits of your credit card number. All right, so that's the last 4 digits of your credit card number. Go ahead and type in the last 4 digits. And once you do that, you're going to find a button that says submit. Go ahead and punch the submit button. And once you punch the submit button, that's it. You're going to be able to cancel your Semrush subscription. Now, I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.